Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Real Kate and I'm the host on this channel. You're highly welcome. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification so that whenever I upload, you're always notified. Today I'm just going to do a simple vlog because the last vlog I did, it was about my driving lesson, and even in the today's vlog I'm also going to do a driving lesson vlog, but this one is kind of different because the other day I was just doing the driving, but in the today's vlog I'm just going to be doing box packing. So guys, stick around with me. I'm just going to take you through with me. Hope you enjoy the video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Hi guys, we are back home. So that was it for today's small vlog. Hope you enjoyed the video. So that's all I had for you, and that's how my box packing lesson went. So, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly, please, I'm begging, do you want me to name? Kindly subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you're always notified. See you guys. Bye bye.